Yo, what's happening, my peoples? So, got different reviews be coming on the channel and stuff. Sometimes just a little pickups or whatever. So this right here, this is something, it's kind of special because it's going into my collection, something that I do collect and I'm very fond of. But it falls in line with my unboxings and my grails and all that. So with no further ado, man, let me just get to this. So this came in early this morning. I already had checked them out because my fingers were crossed. I was like, I don't know, because I got these for a deal. I mean, a deal. This is my steal of the year. This is my steal of the year right here. And so it came in this box right here. Y'all know what this is. Shade. See around it. Everything. See the information. So this is part of my collection, man. I be on my 11s. Shit, 7210. Win like 82, win like 96, Concords, Platinums. So something else to add. Space Jam 11s, baby. And got them stores on there. Got that right there, looking good. This an older pair and stuff. What, these came out like 2 years ago? Shit, 2 out of, I want maybe 3, I don't know. But man, I've been wanting these, dog. And the shape of them, I was like, man, I don't know, I might have to do something. I need to wipe them off. Like they have a little bit of crust or something right there or something. I need to wipe that off. That's it. Like the shape of them, the creases and stuff, nothing too bad. Like the bottoms aren't yellow and everything, like they just a little dirty, but it's the bottom. So everything, even got the shoe trees, and everything. Like, how much I paid for these? It was $67 and shipping was $16. So I think it was like $83 total. $83. Space Jam 11s. Only they got one crease on the inside right there. That's it. This my steal of the year, man. I feel bad for the people that sold these to me, cause I'm like, I see it must have been like a female or something, because the rest of the stuff I see on the page was like dresses and stuff. And maybe she had an ex-boyfriend or something, or maybe she had a kid that grew out of him or something, and just, well, I don't think no kid kept him up like this. Maybe it was hers, and she, I don't know. Somebody didn't know what they had, and I don't know why nobody wasn't bidding on them. But I followed them on eBay and I was like, I'm just gonna see. And they didn't go up. Like, I'm gonna wipe the leather off a little bit, get the leather a little more shinier. I got that 45 in the back. I love that 45. That 45, and then stitched. We love that whenever something is stitched in the back. Like the Concords later, I'm not the Concords, the Breads this year coming out. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna be stitched. But man, the Jordan, stitch the back. Stitch the back. They got the 45 on the Concords. I don't think those are stitched. Those are not stitched. The only ones I do have stitched is these in the 72 and 10s. I think all the rest of them is that flat plastic, the graphic-ish or whatever. But man, I just wanted to show y'all these. I'm not gonna do an on foot or anything. If y'all want to see an on foot, I could do a separate video, maybe show a different fits, to rock with them or something. I see one thing. I see they got the little fuzz on the oh well, oh well, but shit, $83, Space Jam 11, part of my Grail series, my favorite shoe of all time. Well, up there, Reebok Questions and Jordan 11, and adding to my 11 pile. Only thing, I pretty much got all the 11s I want. The only other 11s I want the cap and gowns and probably the braids later this year. And that's it. And I got all the 11s I've ever wanted. I never really liked the cool grays and stuff too much. Oh, sorry, blasphemous statement. Don't kill me. But I would get them, but I'm not like crazy about them. But so that's it. That's the video, man. Just wanted to show y'all. It's not no detailed review or anything, but just showing you the deals and stuff. Cause that's kind of how I shop. I shop for deals and got this deal, and I just want to share that with y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest and the most hated, man. Holla at your boy. Peace out.